Right guys, so this is a 750cc approximate 25 horsepower mini skid steer. Comes with various different attachments. This one's got the bucket with the grapple. We've also got a dozer blade and a regular bucket. This is my own personal piece of equipment which has just come in, which I should be using for my own work. However, I will be bringing them in. This one's been a bit customised. It's got 3 hydraulic pumps rather than 2 like a lot of them. If anyone's interested, please give me a shout. I'll put some pictures up as well, but they will be coming